Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tarun, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this Wecool gimbal G1 selfie stick. This has a 360 degree rotating axle, and on this side we have the features of the selfie stick. It is smart stable, it is a tripod as well as a selfie stick. It is remotely controlled by Bluetooth, and it is made up of aluminum alloy, and it is compatible with both Android as well as iOS. And on this side we have the specifications of this tripod stand or selfie stick, and the price is 8,000. The price is about 8,000. And on this side we have the Wecool gimbal G1. Okay, let's open the box. We got a cable, charging cable. This is a selfie stick. Let's look at it later. You'll be getting a user manual. We definitely have to open this and see, because there are some instructions regarding the selfie stick, how to use it, which I'll be telling you later. Okay, let's keep this aside. So this is a selfie stick.
These are some of the specs of this gimbal G1 selfie stick. Mount holder is about 70 to 100 mm. That is sufficient for all the modern smartphones today. Its collapsible length is 190 mm and extendable length is 420 mm. Weight of this product is 201 grams. It's little bit more, but as it is made up of a metal, it weighs more. And the battery is replaceable for only Bluetooth remote.
So guys, this is a selfie stick. So let me open this. And this is the phone holder. You can lock the motion of this using this button. If you push it upwards, this gets locked, the motion of this gets locked. And you can also lock the motion of this using this lever. And this is a Bluetooth remote control. You can also pull this out. Using this you can take pictures and record videos. And to turn this on, you have to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. Once you see the blue flash, you can pair it with any other smartphone, like how you pair your earbuds or Bluetooth speakers. Okay, so let me turn this off. And coming to the bottom, you have the tripod stand. You can simply open it like this. So this is how you open the tripod stand. Let me close this. And guys, this is collapsible. Let me open this. This is made up of aluminium. This is of 4 levels. So for your convenience, let me just measure it. And it is about 29 inches. As you can see, it's about 29 inches. And guys, as I said, it is made up of aluminium. And let me also show this tripod, how it looks like. As you can see, it looks like this. You can just put it like this. So now let me give you an idea about this stabilization. On this side you have the USB for charging, and on this side you have the button for stabilization. And again, press this button for 3 seconds. As you can see, the green light is turned on. Turn this on. Let me open this and show you how this works. As you can see, when I'm rotating this is stable. And you can also change this direction by pressing this button for two times, and this rotates. I have to just manually change it. Yeah, now it is changed. As you can see, now it's vertical. So let me just turn this off. And guys, this is a phone holder. You can just open this, and it is expandable from both the sides. And guys, again, if you collapse this is just about 20 centimeters, and you can easily carry it anywhere. Charging the selfie stick is just for the stabilization. For the remote control, you have to change the battery.
And finally, I would say that this is a price worthy product, and you can also find this gimbal on Amazon for just 2,800 rupees. That's it guys, for enough. Please do like, share, comment my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe.